are very happy and glad that we are celebrating our 8th Lechon Kumbira. Today for Goma at Home, we are headed outside to celebrate one of the city's most exciting and delicious festivals. Ormoc City loves its lechon. And on our 8th year, we are continuing the annual Lechon Kumbira, a festival that highlights our love for food, specifically lechon. Ormoc pours its heart and soul into making the best lechon. And every year, the city comes together to witness just how good we can make an already delicious classic even better. And I must say, iba kami maglechon dito sa Ormoc. Lika, tignan natin which lechon tastes the best this year. Tonight's Lechon Kumbira is exciting. Madaming mga galing na sumali ngayon at sure ako na may hirapan ng mga judges mag-decide dahil napakasarap talaga lahat. Mabuti na lang at hindi na rin namin kailangan isipin ang flow ng program dahil kasama namin si Tonet.com as our host this evening.
This is the Lechon Kumbira 2025 8th year edition.
Daghang kayo salamat, Tonet. Every year, it is exciting to see the variety of lechon each of our contestants prepare. Iba-iba sila ng technique, iba-iba yung marinate ka, iba-iba yung lasa. Isipin mo, ang lechon, di ba? Kung minsan sabihin standard o iisa lang yung lasa. Pero dito sa Ormoc, pati flavor iba-iba. Even texture ng balat at laman and the way they prepare the lechon is totally different from one another. Kaya din, pinipilahan ang Lechon Kumbira palagi. Alin kaya dito ang mananalo ngayong fiesta? Let's see kung sino ang magugustuhan ng mga judges.
So, we have all here 12 contestants natin para sa Lechon Kumbira. Ating show yan. Oh, thank you. Lamig. So, we give this out sa mga audience para they can try it. Sabi ni Binan sila ng puso. They try to put it in plastic already. Para yung mga tao, pati ba nila? Gabi, kumusta?
Congressman.
Gamera. Kana.
Kani. Panit. Nami ka na, Congressman.
Lame. Sige. When it comes to the skin, dalawa pa lang ito natitikman natin. But they have different textures. In fact, different taste, no? Isa ko na name.
Okay.
Iba. So, 3 pa lang doon. Iba na yung taste niya. The other has more meat, right in the skin. Ito naman, mas may fat. Sarap iba-iba. Sabi ko, tingnan natin konti lang, yung balat lang. Lamia, oy.
Kung day, sorry kung mali.
Okay, kaya. Okay na, oy. Don't wait to eat it. I eat it right. 12 lang yan. There are only 12 lechon. But siguro mahirapan ka to try all of that. Every 5 minutes, bagong lechon dumating sa'yo. And you try it, how crispy it is, the color, the smell, the taste. And we have our judges here in Ormoc. They're all from Manila. Pepper A and Chef Angelo. Patala, yung magiging judges natin tonight for Lechon Kumbira. You'll be having 12 today. You know, when I was mayor, we were thinking of activities to bring every fiesta or foundation day. And we can honestly say that the lechon in Ormoc and in Cebu are one of the best lechons as compared to the ones we have in Manila. So, and with that, I got let's have something, let's have a Lechon Festival. But we can't call it Lechon Festival because I know somewhere there's already an ongoing Lechon Festival So we call it Kumbira. Kumbira is really to eat and eat and eat. All the best to you guys.
Thank you so much. We are very happy and glad that we are celebrating our 8th Lechon Kumbira. And I wish you the best. O sa mga tao dito sa Ormoc City, we are showcasing our culture, our food, no? This us, this our personality. Kini ang lechon sa Ormoc. Daghang kay salamat. Happy fiesta everyone. Thank you judges. Thank you.
So, each lechonero, meron tatlo no, na lechon. Tapos yun pinuputo nila, yun ang pinapatay sa audience natin. So while you're watching, they can enjoy good lechon. Some judges smell it, some judges go right away and take a bite of the lechon. Some take a look at the color. Some judges take pictures first.
Okay.
They smell it, babango ba? Yan. We'll wait for number 12. After that, we're done judging our lechon. We'll see kung ano yung pinakamasarap. Hindi ko na-try yung number 11. This is number 11, no?
I do not know.
Yeah.
Yes, number 11.
Number 11. Okay. I like it with suka. Wow. It's really good. I really love lechon. I love eating it with vinegar. Oh, sarap.
Alright, so I
Even yung
need
rice,
all of our judges.
I dip my rice in,
sa
suka.
atong dulce kalechon. And this will be the last lechon ang ilang tinawan because later on we are going to reveal
Tinatawanan lang ako ni Lucy,
our third place,
Sabi niya,
second place, and
tomorrow,
our first place.
tomorrow mag-pacting ka, huwag ka kumain bukas. Okay.
2025!
We have come to a conclusion and on record, isa ito sa pinakamasarap at pinakamahirap na i-judge na Lechon Kumbira. For this year, Gel Special Lechon proved to be really something else. Congratulations, Gel Special Lechon. And for second place, ang nanalo ay Aslanan ni Songgahid. And last but not least, Romos Lechon. You know, food brings people together. And Lechon Kumbira does that successfully every year since it started. People who love to prepare lechon have a platform where they can showcase their taste and talent, while people who love to eat enjoy the many ways lechon can be interpreted here in Ormoc City. Kaya busy kami palagi kapag Lechon Kumbira because we know how much people value this festival.
Alegria!
Alegria, asa na sa alegria, asa?
That's my lawyer from Brunit ba? Yeah, Nadia.
Okay.
Congratulations,
So,
ha?
congratulations again. Congratulations for being the champion.
Galing, no?
Yes.
Honey, Mayor, what can you say about your Lechon Kumbira this
Well,
year?
I'm very proud as always because I really grew up enjoying a lot of those
Lechon?
the lechon from those vendors. Some of them, since I was this small, they were
Yes.
already lechoneros, no? So it's interesting to note that not all, it's a different winner
Yeah.
every year. So it's very subjective, which also means walay lechon sa Ormoc na dili lamit, no? So
And I noticed this year, parang mas sumarap yung
yes.
lechon nila.
Yes.
Diba? It's tastier, it's crunchier. Talagang, they really give importance to their product. Ito talaga yung isa sa mga queen product natin dito sa Ormoc City, Lechon Kumbira.
And also, I noticed even people from outside Ormoc, they already know of Lechon Kumbira.
Yes.
And they always ask, ano naman ang Lechon Kumbira? So, I enjoyed our meal. I hope everybody
Oh,
does
they're
it.
very happy. The judges are very happy. it's nice to note that a lot of people are enjoying Ormoc lechon. So you want good lechon, you come to Ormoc. So that's it. Thank you so much for joining us in this episode, my love. Thank you so much for being here in Goma at home. We'll see you again next time.
Iyara ba yung gift
Right here in
tinawan
Goma,
tanan?
okay?
1 to 12.
Yeah.
Ako to brako 6.
Bye, guys.
We are reminded yearly why doing this is so important. It builds that sense of community amongst our people. Shared food is an experience that's always rewarding for everybody. We also get to experience and exercise our culinary pride while keeping a tradition alive and well. Among the many things we are proud of is how we do lechon here in Ormoc ranks high on our list. The food culture in the city is thriving and I want you to experience it someday soon. I know each city will have their own take on what lechon is, but I am inviting you to come over and stay here in Ormoc City for our Lechon Kumbira. You'll taste the difference of how we do lechon here, and I am very sure you'll be left wanting more after you try it.